Number 8, interjections of attention. Hey, look, and hush. Examples: hey, what are you doing there? Hey, what are you doing there? B, look, your teacher is coming. Look, your teacher is coming. C, hush, somebody is approaching you. Hush, somebody is approaching you. Interjections practice exercise. Exercise 1. Specify the types of the interjections in bold. Specify the types of the interjections in bold. You have 5 seconds to give your answer before I'm gonna move on to the next item and give you the correct answer. If you think 5 seconds is not enough, you can pause the video. Number 1. Or A. Hurrah! We've got the first prize.